Canva 2.0 is finally here, and it's powered by AI. Create a full website from just one prompt. Design stunning posters in seconds. Write blog posts instantly with smart content generation. And bring your ideas to life with powerful image creation. This isn't just Canva, it's your new creative assistant. Let's dive into the future of design with Canva AI. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Canva homepage. As you can see, Canva's interface has recently changed. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll notice a new option called Canva AI, located just below the brand option on the left menu. If you're using the free version, this option won't be available. Click on Canva AI and you'll be taken to the Canva AI dashboard. Here, you'll see several powerful tools. Design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me. Below that, you'll find your recent chats with Canva AI and a section called See What You Can Do. That includes example prompts and templates. For example, you might see an image like a dog wearing a party hat, which you can easily modify to suit your own needs. Now, let's explore the Code for Me feature. Click on Code for Me, and you'll see a prompt box. Let's try a simple example. Make an interactive website for my Capes fashion brand. Hit enter, and Canva AI will start generating the code for you in real time. At the top, you'll see the number of lines of code being created. Once the process is complete, you'll have a full-fledged website generated from just a single prompt. If you don't like certain aspects of the website, such as the color scheme, layout, or branding, you can simply give Canva a new prompt. For example, change the color scheme, insert our brand name, Northwear, and add buttons. Again, Canva will process your request and regenerate the code. Within a minute or two, you'll see the changes applied. New color scheme, brand name, and buttons like Add to Cart. You can scroll through the generated website to view all the elements. Next, click Use in a Design to open the site in Canva's design editor. From here, click Preview to see how your website will look in real time. If you're happy with the design, you can publish the website by clicking Publish Website. You'll need to purchase and enter a domain name. Canva will take care of the hosting, so you don't have to worry about that. Once your domain is ready, click Publish, and just like that, your website will go live. Now let's check out the Design for Me option. Click on Design for Me, then choose a category. We'll select Marketing, and for the format, we'll go with a poster. Next, enter your prompt. In this case, we want to design a vibrant travel agency poster. The name of the agency is Groot Travels, and we'll add some key elements to our prompt that we want to include in the design. Once you're done writing the prompt, hit Enter. Canva AI will now generate multiple poster designs based on your input. As you can see, it has created 4 poster options. You can preview each one and select the one you like best. Let's say I like the first design. I'll click on it. Now, if you want to customize the content, images, or design elements, just click on the part you want to edit. For example, you can change any of the images by selecting them. Canva will show you similar images, or you can search for new ones. Let's replace the first and second images with our own selections. You can also change the color scheme to match your brand theme. Once you're satisfied, click on Use Canva Editor. This will open the design in the main Canva editor. Here, you can add more elements, text, or even animations if needed. When your design is ready, click Share, then click Download to save your poster in your preferred format. Next, let's check out the Draft a Doc option. Let's say we want to write a blog post. Select Blog Post as the format, then enter your detailed prompt. For example, top 5 free AI tools every student should know about in 2025. After you hit Enter, Canva AI will automatically generate a blog layout complete with a headline and written content. As you can see, it has created a clean, elegant blog post that you can edit further or publish as is. Finally, let's explore the Create an Image feature. Click on Create an Image and enter your prompt. For example, YouTube thumbnail design for a Canva 2.0 tutorial video showcasing new features. We'll keep the style and aspect ratio to default for now. After entering the prompt, hit Enter. Canva AI will generate 4 image options based on your description. Pick the one that best fits your video's theme. Let's say we like a thumbnail. Click on it to open it. If you want to make minor changes, scroll down and type a new prompt to adjust the image. For example, we want to erase some unwanted text from the image. Click Open in Editor, then use the Magic Eraser tool. Select the areas you want to erase and click Erase. As you can see, Canva AI cleanly removes the unwanted elements, making your thumbnail look professional and polished. Once you're satisfied, click Share, then download to save your new thumbnail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.